How to manage notification in Teams. So hello everyone. If you want to manage your notification in Team, first you need to click these three dots here on top right corner, settings and more. Click settings and click notification and activity. Click that. Here you will see all the notification settings that you can tweak. Community emails, community posts sent via email can turn on and off. Community invites, chat, message notification, mentions, like and reactions, meetings. You can turn it off, the meetings start notification. And you can also mute all notification except for calls and meetings. So here, you can tweak everything here on your own preference. So yeah, that's basically it on how to configure your notification and activity on Teams. Thank you.